Hyundai i30N now has a sportier look courtesy of prior design. The front-wheel drive compact hot hatch has been fitted with a wide-body kit made of fiberglass Duraflex, which is aimed at the pre-facelifted version of the car. Highlights include the new apron and extensions added to the sides of the front bumper, fender flares, new rear bumper extensions, different diffuser finished in glossy black, and a more aggressive roof wing, offered as a bundle at €3,999 in Germany. The multi-spoke rally-style wheels and the special diesels round out the design. While these mods won't make the i30N faster, the stock car already offers very decent performance, with the 0 to 100 km/h sprint taking 6.4 seconds in the standard variant, which has 246 HP. The performance package brings 271 HP and 260 pounds-foot at 1,450 to 4,700 RPM, or 279 pounds-foot on overboost, produced between 1,750 and 4,200 RPM, dropping the acceleration time to 6.1 seconds. The latest iteration, which was presented a few months ago, offers 276 HP and 289 pounds-foot in the performance package, which makes it 0.2 seconds faster to 100 km/h than the previous version. The facelifted i30N is set to launch in Europe in early 2021, with pricing to be announced in due course. It will probably come with a small premium over the outgoing variant, which starts at €33,435.29 in the range topping form in Germany.